This video provides the ultimate resolution for WhatsApp freezing during initialization after a chat transfer. Having personally encountered this exact problem and explored numerous potential fixes, I've successfully identified several effective strategies to overcome it. And I'm now going to guide you through each one. First, we tackle basic troubleshooting. A simple device restart clears temporary RAM glitches, while force-stopping WhatsApp resets its current operational state. Clearing the app's cache and data is crucial as it removes potentially corrupted temporary files or local database entries that might be preventing proper initialization. Checking your internet connection and available storage ensures the application has the necessary resources and communication pathways to function. Next, consider a full app reinstallation. This approach is effective because it addresses deeper application file corruption. Uninstalling WhatsApp completely removes its core files, and reinstalling ensures a pristine version from the App Store. Restoring from a valid backup then reintroduces your chat data into a healthy app environment, allowing it to initialize correctly. Our third set of solutions involves system and network checks. An outdated operating system can lead to compatibility issues, while network setting problems or active VPNs can block WhatsApp's connection to its servers for chat restoration. Accurate date and time settings are also vital for secure communication protocols. Finally, we explore data transfer workarounds. Verifying the integrity of your backup is paramount, as a corrupted source backup will always lead to issues. Attempting smaller chat transfers reduces the load, preventing timeouts. Using only official transfer tools ensures compatibility, and confirming cloud storage status guarantees backup accessibility. Maintaining stable power and avoiding other background apps during transfer minimizes interruptions that could corrupt data, preventing that frustrating stuck screen.